Hey, folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here. Hey, pay attention. What I want to do is, real quickly, I want to show you one, how to meditate, and two, I want to show you what frequency to use while you're meditating to manifest what you want. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go. And I'm trying to grow a beard right here, so don't focus on the beard. And before you click learn more below, I want to share with you what you need to do step by step right now in this video here. It's going to be a live demonstration on how I manifest and some of the things that I've done so far. Let me share with you. I've earned about $30 million plus. It's one, I have manifested the Kardashians where I do many promotions with them. That's two, I've manifested myself on Forbes, Entrepreneur, BuzzFeed, different platforms around the world. That's three. And I've also manifested things like Lamborghinis. Recently, I'm buying myself a Rolls Royce. But all those things, listen, they're not happening just because I'm smart, okay? It has nothing to do with my intellectual ability, my skill level. It has everything to do with how I meditate and how I manifest these things in my life, okay? Now, you're watching this video, so I'm going to go really quickly here because you may be on Instagram or Facebook, but I want you to pay attention. Write this down below. When you want to meditate, your brain here must be in a line with a certain frequency, okay? How many of you like music? How many of you like Drake, Migos, Katy Perry, or Beyonce, right? Have you realized that what you're listening to is a frequency? It's not really music, okay? If you really drill down. That's why when you listen to that music, you feel good, right? You want to sing, I'm a single ladies, I'm a single ladies, right? It makes your vibration or your body feel good at the moment. That's why we love music so much. But you can use these type of frequencies, okay? The producers uses that create amazing music. The churches uses to put people in a trance, right? Even media, movies, they all use this stuff. But you can use these frequencies that I'm going to give you in this video, one of them on how you can manifest faster, okay? Is that cool? So write this down below, okay? The frequency that you want to be in is what is called 428, okay? 428. 428 hertz, okay? And what I'm going to do is I want to do a meditation with you, okay? I don't have a lot of time, so I got 2 more minutes. I want you to listen real quickly here. Every morning, okay, when I wake up, I play this. Listen. And I'm going to give you this meditation for free in the link below, okay? But focus on me, not the link below before you decide to click it. But listen to this. Now, I want you to put headphones on real quickly. We'll do it for 60 seconds. And I'm going to show you what I do, how I manifested all this money, all this, like my Instagram, I have 1 million followers almost. I do partnerships with the Kardashians, right? I have a bunch of cars, I have a bunch of houses around the world. Understand this. It's not because of my intellectual ability. I never graduated college. I don't have any type of specialized training, okay? But I've harnessed this energy through meditation, which allows me to utilize these frequencies, which you're listening to right now, to be able to manifest what I want. Let's do it together. All you need to do this, when you wake up in the morning, sit up in your bed, okay? As soon as you open your eyes, okay? First thing you do is, I'm grateful. Then you close your eyes. I want everybody right now to close your eyes. I'm going to leave my eyes open because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the 60-second process, okay? I'm going to show you. Now, I want you to focus on one thing. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want a business. Maybe you want to make $1,000 per day, $5,000 per month. Maybe you're looking for a spouse. Maybe you want to get married. Maybe you want a brand new Lamborghini or Rolls Royce. Maybe you want to travel around the world, right? Whatever you want. I want you to think about it right now. Mine is this. My focus right now, it has been for the last 2 years, is I currently earn $100,000 per day, easily and effortlessly. Yes, I said 100,000. Now, how do I know it works? Because before it was 5,000. Now listen, let's do it. Close your eyes. And all I want you to do is take a deep breath. Exhale. Take a deep breath. breath. Exhale. Now it's important while you do that you're inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, okay? Now you want to be in a very quiet place while you're doing this. Now this time I want you to focus on your breathing. One more time. Do it with me. If you're doing it, hit the like and share button. And make sure when you breathe in, you inflate your stomach and you exhale. Now this is the tricky part. While you are focusing on your breathing, okay, it only takes 60 seconds to do this. I want you to see and feel that you're actually earning the amount of money you want to earn. That you're in the plane flying around the country. That you're in your beautiful car and you can feel the wind against your face here. I want you to think and I want you to see your feet on the beaches around the world, the sand between your toes, as you step out to the ocean and feel the water and the birds flying over your head because you're free. Done. That's it. We're done. That took 60 seconds now. Now you may say, Wesley, that's all you have to do? Yes. I do that for 20 minutes. I just give you the shorter version. Now, if you want the longer version, if you want to understand more about what I do here, in the Learn More button, I'll give you 2 more frequencies and another meditation that you're listening to right now that's going to blow your entire life. Remember this. In life, you don't get what you want. You get what you picture. But to picture something differently, your brain must be in a alignment with the things that you want. As soon as your brain is in alignment, then you get it. Hey, in the link below, let me share with you the most powerful frequency on the planet. Much love. Let's go. Yeah, click